Look at that clean line on the garage. Like, you can't beat that. Like, that looks almost like halogen.
What's goody? It's your boy G-Kid back from Live Fast. What we got popping on for you today? I'm gonna do this install. Now somebody contacted me, they was like, yo, I need to see what an Integra looks like with LED headlights. So I said, yo, what am I gonna do? I gotta show you what they look like. I don't have projector headlights. Now I'm telling you at the beginning of this, don't install LED headlights or HID headlights without projector headlights in there. Because what happens is it scatters the light and blinds people in front of you. But I'm about to show you today, just because of the request, I'm about to show you what it looked like. Anyways, let's get it popping. Shout out to that good old C7. Boy, got the C7 in the garage and the good old Mustang over there. See the Mustang over there? Mustang, C7 Vet. But I'm not BSing. C7 Vet in the garage. Let me know if y'all want to see a cold start of that. We're gonna have that content popping for that, trust me. Trust me. But them wheels though, good old Stang in there too. Videos dropping in the springtime for those. Install videos popping for both of these bad boys, so stay tuned for that. This spring, you gotta stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button so you can see those videos. So now we out at the Teggy. I got the Naneo. Y'all see that? Can y'all get that? This is supposedly the best one on the market right now, running the CREE LEDs on it. And on top of that, it's got a separate driver, so supposedly it wants to pump out a little extra power for these LED headlights. Some of the ones come with the drivers built into the headlights, but supposedly these ones are still a lot better than those ones. It's got like a 10,000 RPM blade fan on the back of it, and comes with a 3-year warranty. So let's get it popping. Let's just get it done. Let's get in here so I can show you what it looked like behind. So behind here, what you got your headlights, and you want to check to see which one is the low beam when you first turn the headlights on. So let's take a look. So it's going to be this one right here that we're going to replace. So as you can see in here, since it's the outside one we're going to replace, what you're going to do is you're going to unplug this clip right here. You're going to push down on it and pull it. Well, this headlights must never been replaced. So we got the bulb loose. This is what this one looked like, the old one, old style setup. If you're looking to do this on your Teggy, it's a bulb 9006 for your low beams. If you have aftermarket headlights, supposedly, it's a little different. So here we are, old versus new. Look at that. Y'all see that? And this one got the driver on it. So let's go ahead and put it in. Get some before and afters and verses. So I'm not sure if y'all can see that, but that one is a lot brighter than that one. Let me get in closer. That one's like a clean white. Oh, that one's like that good old dusty yellow. You see the difference now? And if we get in super close on it, not sure if the cameras can pick that up, but you can actually hear the fan running. So that's pretty dope, just to know that they're running nice and cool. So let's get that side done, finish it up, wrap it up, show you guys what it looked like, get some product shots, get it poppin'. Now let's see what they look like when they both on. Let's get it, boy. I'm so hyped. I'm hyped. Boy, I'm so hyped. Look at how clean those look. Can y'all see that? Are y'all getting how white and clean those look? Boy, them joints are so dope. Let's get it. Now it's time to pull it up to the garage and see what that beam pattern looking like though. And honestly, that's not that bad. I mean, you can obviously see right here where some light is coming upwards, but you can actually see a defined line coming through. I'm not sure if y'all can see that line, but it's actually not bad. But remember one thing, if you don't have projector headlights, do not install LED or HID headlights. I mainly did this because y'all wanted to see what it looked like, but on top of that, I mean, the line is actually pretty clear cut. If you were gonna buy any of them,
buy this kit, honestly. I ain't getting paid to say that, but I've never seen one with a line that clean from them. So, hey, you do what you want to do. I can't tell you what to do, playboy. Look at that clean line on the garage. Like, you can't beat that. Like, that looks almost like halogen. Anyways, you just seen it go down on the Techie today. If you have any suggestions for me and projector headlights for this Integra, put them in the comment section down below, because I think I'm gonna try and get some projector headlights in here. I gotta see what it look like. Want to see that real good defined line. And I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Anyways, it's your boy G Kid from Live Fast. We signing out again, yo. It's going down, baby. Next video, I heard somebody want to hear the Techie run and hear that exhaust, so I might just have to do it for you. Anyways,